Hello everyone. Again, I would like to introduce you the kibbeh dough. Now we are going to make the kibbeh dough, which is made from beef topside, and we have burgul, one kind of material we have, spices, onion, and I'm going to show you, and you can find down the description and the recipe of this kibbeh dough. So let's go and find out how we are going to make the kibbeh dough. Here is the ingredients of the kibbeh dough. We have beef topside. Okay, anyway how you cut it, but you need to remove the fat and the skin from it and the nerve. Okay, she is very clean. We have burgul. We have two kinds of burgul, brown burgul and white burgul. So this white burgul came from Italian wheat. After boiling, we make it dry and then we put it in the machine to be broken. This is actually broken boiled wheat, dry wheat. The same thing as brown burgul, it's also wheat. After we boil it, we make it dry, and for a couple of days after we remove it and we put it in the machine to be broken, to make it fine. So now we are going to need here spices, especially the Arabic spices, which is cumin, mostly cumin, and there is coriander powder, and there is 7 spices, and there is cinnamon powder and sweet pepper. That's all for this one. We don't add another spices, it will change the real taste of the kibbeh. And we have onion. Doesn't matter white or red, it's okay, around 200 grams. And we have one herbs, we call it mardakosh. Mardakosh herbs, it's special herbs for kibbeh. As what we don't have it here, so I am adding mint leaves and some basil. I make it a sauce to stay more longer with a little bit olive oil. So this is the main ingredients for this kibbeh. I'm going to show you how exactly we are going to make it. Stay with me. Here I'm going to need this mincer machine. And I put the smallest filter on it. I'm going to open this burgul. One brown burgul and one white burgul. You can use also either brown burgul together, both, either white burgul both. I prefer white burgul, so once in frying time to not be more dark color. So here I mix the burgul. I'm going to wash it. Okay. First of all, we wash it. After we strain the water, and after we put water again to complete the weight, it should be 4 kilo and 400 grams. Now we have 2 kilo of burgul. I'm going to wash it. It will be, after washing, around 3 kilo and 700 grams. I will add water until it will be 4 kilo and 400 grams. And then I stop adding water and I will wait for the burgul to be soft. Or we are going to keep the water at the same level of the burguls. A little bit, only 1 milli above of the level of the burgul in the container, so if you don't have scale to scale. So this is the burgul. It needs around 10 to 15 minutes, so even if you give it half an hour, it's no issue, no problem to become soft. So while the burgul going to be soft, we are going to grind the beef without anything. First of all, we grind the beef. So this is the beef, is grinded already. I will add the onion with the burgul, no problem. This is the onion together with the burgul already. We're going to wait for a while. Now we have this burgul already absorb the water and water. So I will add the beef and the burgul. Then I will add the spices. And I will add the mint and basil paste. Then I will add around 60 grams of salt. This is the 60 grams of salt. And we mix together. Then we start to grind. Put inside the machine. If we don't have machine, we need to do in this way the burgul. And mashed meat, we will mash it by the hammer, because before we don't have machines. So our mothers, they use hammer made from wood and one big tiles. They put the meat outside and they keep on beating the meat until it become very smooth. Then they mix with burgul and the onion. They will beat also the onion and the spices all together in the same tiles. And they keep on beating until it become all the mixture smooth. Then they will do it in this way together, then to create the kibbeh. Now we have machines to make faster and easy. So this is now the kibbeh, and I will turn on the machine. I will start grinding the whole mixture together. We need around 2 times to mix it properly. We return back to the machine to grind it one more time. Then we can start to stuff it. This is the kibbeh dough. Make it. So here is the kibbeh dough. Okay. We are going to mix it straight in our hand. Thirdly, it's hard for us to mix it. We need to mix it in the dough mixer, and we will get full mixture. It should not be soft. It should not be very hard. Because later we are going to stuff it. Here I need cold water or water with ice, and I will add some oil. Anyway, I'm going to use the oil and not the water. And this is the hashwa. what we are going to use for now. Now we are going to make the kibbeh. So this is the hashwa, which is made from beef and lamb, onion, spices, and pine nuts. Okay. This is the kibbeh dough. We are going to make it around 40 grams with a piece. We roll it and then we put our hand full of oil. Okay, you can, if you like, don't use gloves, it's up to you, no problem, but for the hygiene at this time we are going to use gloves. Here is the where we put the mincemeat inside and we start to close it. You can make it this shape. Again, I'm going to show you. Here we put our finger here and we turn the finger and we move our hand. We make it like a cup of dough. Then we will put the stuffing and we start to close it little while we turning, and we close our hand, the dough to be closed in this way. This is the kibbeh. We call it kibbeh. It's authentic Lebanese food. It's eaten as meza, hot meza, and can be make it with yogurt sauce and coriander and garlic, and can be eaten together. We'll mix it and we will eat with rice. So this is the kibbeh dough. Now you can stuff it with cheese if you like. You can stuff it with sujuk. You can stuff it with some pomegranate seeds, with some vegetable. There are so many styles, but this is the real kibbeh. Now everybody produce or create something, it's up to him. Thank you very much. This is it. It's the kibbeh. We are going to fry it now. Okay, I put in the fry basket and we fry it. Actually, before we fry it, if you want to keep it, we need to make it frozen. We need to keep it frozen. Okay, it will stay long inside the freezer. So anytime we need, we will take and we fry it. No need to make defrost and frozen again. That's very dangerous. And anyway, the kibbeh is going to be broken. So once frozen, and then you can put it in the oil, which is around 150 to 160 degree only. It takes around 8 to 10 minutes to be cooked inside and outside. So this is the kibbeh fried. Here the kibbeh is already fried. It's very hot. I'm going to eat it with many dipping actually. Okay. Here we have the kibbeh. We have pomegranate molasses. It's kind of sweet and sour sauce made from pomegranate seed. You can dip with yogurt. You can dip it with hummus, and you start with it. So here, or you can just eat it raw. Here's the kibbeh. Very nice. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. See you again with another kind of food. Thank you very much. Bye bye.